subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has finally launched its first smartphone under F series in India called Galaxy F41. Talking about the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy F41 features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a large 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by an Exynos 9611 chipset paired with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that can be further expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy F41 supports triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide-angle lens with 123° field of view and a 5MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The AAA cameras are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on One UI 2.1 core skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support, and the company claims to offer up to 21 hours of browsing time and 48 hours of voice calling on a single charge. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.2 by 75.1 by 8.9mm and it weighs around 191 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy F41 has been priced in India for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at 16,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 17,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone will go on sale with 1500 rupees discount during the special sale period starting from October 16th via e-commerce site Flipkart, and it will be available in Fusion Green, Fusion Blue and Fusion Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy F41 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.